ASP rigid ultra cuffs provide maximum subject control. They're ideal for more resistive subjects and for front cuffing, making them the preferred restraint for transport and courtroom use. Their unibody design virtually eliminates subject range of motion, while the wide contoured center grip ensures a fast, accurate, and safe cuffing procedure. Like all ultra cuffs, the rigid model employs ASP's exclusive forged frame construction for the optimal combination of strength, lightweight, security, and precision. Smooth, rounded surfaces and ASP's trademark flat contact area further enhance safe and proper application. Dual-sided keyways and double locks make adjustment and removal faster and easier. Color-coded indicators give positive confirmation of double lock status. Another ASP exclusive, replaceable interchangeable lock sets that allow for mission-specific configuration and field serviceability. The rigid cuff is compatible with our unique and innovative transport system, allowing the attachment and removal of a belly chain without ever having to remove the cuffs. We've got a separate video that you can check out on that. Ultra cuffs are available with steel or aluminum bows. They're also available in identifier colors to differentiate agency or officer property, as well as an exclusive training version with all of the same construction, features, and functionality, but with keyless release capability to speed the pace of training.